Hello everybody. What we have today is a submission that we received back from CAC. CAC is the Certified Acceptance Corporation, and what they do is review coins that are already graded by PCGS or NGC. PCGS and NGC, there's a couple examples right there, I'm sure you're familiar with those. They are called third-party grading companies. And we call them third-party graders because they help the other two parties in a transaction, the buyer and the seller, by guaranteeing the grade and authenticity of coins. After that help by that third-party grading company, the buyer and the seller just have to negotiate the price of the coin. No arguing about whether it's real, no arguing about what grade it is. But for some, that third-party opinion of the grading companies just is not enough. For an additional opinion on the coin, they send coins off to CAC for an additional review. Let's call that a fourth-party opinion. Since the coins are already graded and guaranteed by the third-party graders, either PCGS or NGC, CAC doesn't really grade coins at all. What they do is review the already graded and slabbed coins and give their opinion as to whether that coin is solid or a high-end example for that numerical grade that has already been given to the coin. Here's a couple examples of some coins with the CAC stickers on them. You might be familiar with those. Basically, CAC looks at the graded coin and determines whether they think it's an A, a B, or a C coin for that assigned grade. So in their heads, and based on their expertise, they say, is this coin in the top third, middle third, bottom third? Is it an A, a B, or a C? And what they say is that a C coin indicates that it's a low-end coin for the grade. A B coin would be a solid coin for the grade. And an A coin indicates a high-end coin for the grade. And for those coins that they say are A or B for the assigned grade, they'll get a green CAC sticker. The C coins, although they may be accurately graded by the third-party grading company, they get returned without a CAC sticker. And for a very select number of coins that they feel are undergraded and are at least solid for the next higher grade, they use one of their gold CAC stickers. For coins in my collection and coins that I have in my inventory, I rarely send coins to CAC for their review and opinion. The additional expense and time involved in such submissions is just something I choose not to do for all of my coins. In most cases, I'm pretty happy with the expertise of the graders at the grading companies, PCGS or NGC, who have already reviewed and certified my coins. That said, I'll occasionally submit a coin to CAC, or will do so for a customer. If any of you have any experience with submissions to CAC, or have seen coins out there with these CAC stickers on them, please let me know below what you think about them and their service. I recently had a customer ask me to send off a PCGS certified $20 Liberty Gold Double Eagle that was graded MS65 in an old PCGS doily label holder that was briefly used in late 1989 only. My customer felt the coin was very strong for the grade and believed it even had a chance to earn one of those elusive gold CAC stickers. I mean, I did agree with him that the coin looked like a strong example for the grade, so I offered to help him send it to CAC for their review. And let's get these out of the way. And after several weeks, and then another few weeks in USPS registered mail from New Jersey all the way back to California, we have the coin back from CAC. So without any further delay, we're going to get into this and see what they had to say about the coin. So let's see how to get in this. I think you got to cut kind of right on here. I'm going to try not to cut myself. I might have to pull this off camera for just a second. Kids, don't try this at home. There we go. I think that can get me started in here. Again, you see registered mail, they put stickers and postmarks and stuff. They got to cover them all up in tape. It takes forever to get registered mail across the country. Especially this year, it's been really slow. Oh, they taped this up real well. Which is good. They got some strapping tape in here, which is tough to get through. Underneath the tape. See if that helps us. There we go. Now I just got to see what the next part I got to cut is. You know what, I'm just going to pull this off to the side real quick and actually cut into this a little easier because it's hard to do that with the camera right there. Sorry about that. Some unboxing we're doing here, right? I don't even have it under the camera. Anyway, I'm just going to cut into it to see if I can get this open a little easier. I don't care if we destroy the box. Okay, I see what we're going to do. I have not got a package back from CAC recently, so I'm not familiar with the easiest way to get into it. Apparently, am I? Alright, we have now gotten into it, and inside the box, we have what looks to be another box. So what we're going to do is we're going to get that out of here. Again, that's packed in there pretty well. There's some bubble wrap in there. See if we can get this out of here. You know, I'm going to pull this off camera just in case there's any personal information on this box. And there is. I'm glad I did that. So I can't show this for just a second. I'm actually going to open this box just briefly. Cut into it. See, I could have just had all this open and ready to go. But then that wouldn't be an unboxing. It would just be a quick review of a box that's already open, wouldn't it? But anyway, there we go. There's a receipt in here, and I'm just going to leave the box. So I just got that open, and hopefully there's no more personal information in here. Let me just check this receipt to see what it says. Hopefully it doesn't reveal what happened to the coin. I don't see any notes on there. I'm not going to look at it much closer, so let's go ahead and see how we did. And this is how we sent the coin. We sent it in a holder here. This is an intercept shield holder. Helps protect the coin. We get the box to the side here. Helps protect the coin. These PCGS doily label holders are real fragile. So we put it in a box basically to protect it in shipment. And they returned it in the box. So let's see how we did. And it looks like no CAC stickers on it. So there's the coin we got back right there. And it's a 1904 $20 Liberty Gold double eagle. And you see the label there. That what they call the PCGS doily style label. And they say because there's like fine print that's like in kind of an old doily pattern. And what they did in late 1989, for just a couple weeks they used this. It was an anti-counterfeiting measure at the time. And it's in a two-piece holder. It's a slab with a separate piece of plastic. It's called an outer stacking ring on it. And it's a really nice coin. MS65 by PCGS. But for some reason, CAC did not think it was solid or high-end for the grade. Now, in the cases like this, I mean, you're paying them for their opinion. They reviewed it. They took a look at it. And remember we said they look at either it's an A, a B, or a C coin. They must have thought this was a C coin for an MS65. Now, you can sometimes call them up and say, hey, remember that 1904 $20 MS65 that you just looked at in the PCGS doily holder? Do you have any other comments? And sometimes they leave notes if you're curious about, you know, any other details about your CAC submission. But since this is I sent in for a customer, if the customer decides they want more information on this, I'll pass on that information to them. So, again, we got this back. Unfortunately, it did not come back with one of the CAC stickers. And just again, the CAC sticker is the green sticker that they would put, or sometimes I guess you can get a gold one if you're real lucky. And they put in there, it's got hologram. If you peel it off, it breaks apart, so you really can't just peel it off and stick it on another coin. But that's what they look like. We did not get one on our coin here, unfortunately. But again, the lack of a CAC sticker on a coin does not mean that the coin isn't accurately graded. It still could be accurately graded as an MS65 in CAC's opinion. Just means that it's not a strong example of the grade in their opinion. But clearly, the third-party graders of the coin at PCGS agreed that this coin was and is an MS65 when they originally certified the coin back in 1989 in this case. Overall, I'm sure my customers are going to be pretty unhappy with this result, but they still have a very nice coin that I believe to be a very nice example for the grade. Maybe they don't like my opinion as much as CAC, but I think it's a strong example for the grade. And without question, this old doily label styled holder adds a premium to the value of the coin and certainly increases its coolness factor. Anyway, I want to thank everyone for watching, and if you have any questions about this video or any of my other content, please feel free to reach out to me. And I guess until next time, keep having fun with your collections.